Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chrysler 200. Stock number is A8074. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior. Makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full stereo. You have dual climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.